Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PayPal app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you search about PayPal and you will click here in this page of app info. You will click first up and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.